Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bamboo Forest. Today we are doing our first unboxing and review of a product. Big shout out to Big Southern from our Twitch community for gifting us this item from our Throne wish list. I really appreciate you. Today we'll be reviewing the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic, and I'm absolutely in love with it so far. I will admit there was a bit more setup than I was expecting, but then again, I didn't know what to expect with this lamp. I just thought it looked cool when adding it to my wish list. However, the setup was super easy. Putting it together and playing with most of the different light settings took me about 30 minutes, with 10 to 15 of those minutes being playing with the light settings. There's a Govee app which seems to accommodate and control any Govee product, and the download and setup for that was real easy as well. Took me about 2 minutes tops. From there, I was able to change the colors, do different light modes, and can even have the lights move in time with what I say or the environment. The only con I have, unfortunately, is that it can't connect to my Spotify and have the lights move to the beat of the music that way. Other than that, amazing product, and honestly, definitely worth the money in terms of the quality of the lamp and all of its functions. You can come see this in action live on twitch.tv/ipandakai, Mondays through Thursdays 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or sporadically on Twitch, again at ipandakai. Yes, I just shamelessly plugged myself. You'll be alright. But I'm gonna stop talking, let y'all enjoy the tunes. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you beanheads later. Bye!